In this video, I will guide you through how to clone GitHub repository to your computer. Cloning a GitHub repository creates a complete copy of the project on your local machine. This allows you to view and edit the code, run the application locally, and work with version control even when you're offline. So, let's get started. So first, open your browser, and we need to download Git application first. So search for Git in Google, then open the first link, git-scm.com, which is the official Git website. Once the website loads, scroll down and look for the latest source release section on the right-hand side and click on Install for Windows. Then click here to download the latest version of Git for Windows. The download will start automatically, so wait a few moments for the download to complete. Alright, once the download is complete, right-click on the installer and select Open to run it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. When the setup wizard appears, accept the license agreement by click Next. Leave the default installation location as it is and click Next again. Under additional icons, check Create a desktop icon if you'd like a shortcut on your desktop. Also check Add a Git Bash profile to Windows Terminal. After that, click Next and keep the default settings on the remaining setup screens. And finally click Install to begin the installation. Git will now be installed on your system. This process usually takes just a few moments, so wait until the installation is complete. Alright, once the installation is complete, untick View Release Notes and click Finish to close the setup wizard. Next, open your browser and open the GitHub website. When GitHub website opens, make sure you're signed in to your account. From the GitHub dashboard, locate the repository that you want to clone. Open the repository, then click the green code button on the right-hand side. Make sure HTTPS is selected and then copy the repository address. After that, open File Explorer and navigate to the location where you want to clone the repository. In my case, I'll be cloning it to the desktop. Create a new folder and give it a name, then open that folder. Now right-click inside the folder and select Open in Terminal. Once the terminal opens, type git clone, then paste the repository URL and press Enter. Git will now download the repository and create a local copy of it on your computer. Once it's finished, you'll see a new folder with the same name as the repository. Open that folder, and as you can see, all of the repository files have been successfully downloaded to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a GitHub repository to your local machine. I hope this video helped you learn how to clone a GitHub repository. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.